Slow abdominal breathing, focusing on a single point, and letting other thoughts disappear are practices that help calm the mind and relax the body in a simple but powerful way. In daily life, people often breathe quickly and shallowly without even realizing it, especially when they feel stressed, busy, or worried. This kind of breathing puts strain on the body and can make feelings of tension even worse. Slow abdominal breathing is different. It invites the body to breathe deeply from the belly instead of the chest, drawing air fully into the lungs and allowing it to leave gently. This type of breathing signals to the brain that everything is safe, which reduces stress and brings a sense of calm. When someone practices slow abdominal breathing, the body begins to respond in a natural rhythm. The heart rate slows down, muscles loosen, and the nervous system moves from a state of alertness to relaxation. This process also improves the flow of oxygen, giving the brain and body the energy they need without creating anxiety. It is a reminder that something as simple as breathing can have a huge impact on how a person feels in the present moment. By paying attention to the rise and fall of the belly, a person can anchor themselves in calmness and create a steady foundation for their thoughts. Along with slow abdominal breathing, focusing on a single point can sharpen concentration. In a world full of distractions, people often find their minds jumping from one thought to another. This restlessness makes it difficult to stay present. By choosing one point of focus, such as a candle flame, a flower, or even a mark on the wall, the wandering mind begins to settle. Attention gathers in one place, and the sense of being pulled in many directions starts to fade. Even closing the eyes and imagining a single point of light or color can serve the same purpose. The mind is gently trained to stay with that one focus, which builds clarity and inner stillness. As these two practices combine, another natural process occurs: letting other thoughts disappear. Thoughts will always come and go, but when attention rests on breathing and a single point, unnecessary thoughts lose their power. Instead of chasing every idea or memory that passes through, the mind learns to let them drift away like clouds in the sky. This does not mean forcing the mind to go completely blank, but allowing it to become quiet by not giving attention to distractions. Over time, the habit of letting go of excess thoughts becomes easier, and a person feels lighter and more at peace. Together, slow abdominal breathing, focusing on one point, and releasing wandering thoughts create a simple path to calmness. They can be practiced almost anywhere, needing no special equipment or long preparation. Just a few minutes each day can reduce stress, improve focus, and bring balance to the mind and body. These practices remind people that peace is not found by escaping the world but by calming the mind within it.